This is a one-owner 2004 Chevy Silverado crew cab two-wheel drive with the Duramax diesel. In absolutely phenomenal condition. For a 2004, you are not going to find a cleaner truck. One owner, Texas vehicle, no rust. It is running. Super straight, backup camera, tow package, obviously, fifth wheel hookups, bed liner, aftermarket headlights and taillights. No hail, no accidents. Alloy wheels, tires are in good shape. Power seat, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, Bose sound, all-weather floor mats, tow package, backup camera, navigation, perfect Carfax report. Our 125-point inspection has been done. No cracked dash. So this is a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 crew cab with the Duramax diesel, 99,000 miles, two-wheel drive in absolutely remarkable condition.